When you think of Santorini, it's impossible not to imagine the deep blue Aegean waters and the crisp white architecture that dots the cliffs. These kitchens take inspiration from Santorini's natural beauty, capturing the essence of serenity and luxury in every corner. Get ready to be swept away by kitchens that blend traditional Greek charm with modern elegance, all while showcasing the island's most stunning feature, its breathtaking ocean views. The Seaside Archways kitchen captures the essence of classic Mediterranean architecture with grand arched windows framing endless ocean views. This design creates a sense of continuity between the interior and the natural world outside, with the Aegean Sea seemingly flowing right into the room. The archways serve as architectural statements, providing both structural elegance and a portal to the breathtaking scenery beyond. This kitchen's palette revolves around soft whites and pale blues, reminiscent of Santorini's iconic cliffside homes. The smooth marble countertops and natural stone surfaces add a refined touch, while the expansive windows bathe the space in sunlight, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The coastal breeze flows seamlessly through the arches, infusing the kitchen with a light, serene feel. Textural elements play a significant role in this design, with polished stone surfaces complementing the sleek cabinetry. The clean lines of the kitchen island juxtapose beautifully with the more organic curves of the archways, blending traditional Greek elements with modern luxury. It's a delicate balance that feels timeless yet refreshingly contemporary. The views are the star of the show here, and the layout maximizes this, ensuring that no matter where you stand, the deep blue of the Aegean is always in sight. The space feels expansive and open, perfect for casual gatherings or quiet mornings enjoying the sunrise over the water. The Seaside Archways kitchen radiates tranquility in terms of mood. It's a peaceful retreat where nature and architecture harmonize effortlessly. Whether preparing a meal or simply enjoying the view, this kitchen offers a serene escape from everyday life. Designed for those who appreciate the beauty of traditional architecture and the ease of modern living. This kitchen brings the timeless allure of the Greek islands into a luxurious contemporary space. Sleek, polished, and effortlessly chic. The modern Santorini Luxe Kitchen is a masterclass in contemporary design with a nod to Santorini's coastal elegance. This space brings together clean lines and luxurious materials to create a modern retreat that still embraces the island's iconic ocean views and natural beauty. The minimalist aesthetic is grounded in a soft palette of whites, grays, and muted blues, mirroring the natural landscape of Santorini's cliffs and skies. Smooth marble countertops and high-gloss cabinetry reflect the sunlight, giving the kitchen a luminous quality that feels expansive and inviting. Large windows offer panoramic views of the Aegean, with the endless horizon becoming an integral part of the design. This kitchen is all about refined luxury, with every detail meticulously chosen for both style and function. The sleek island design features integrated appliances and storage, maintaining the clean, uncluttered aesthetic. It's the perfect blend of beauty and practicality, offering a space that feels modern yet warm and welcoming. Lighting plays a pivotal role in the modern Santorini Luxe Kitchen. Soft, diffused light enhances the cool tones of the materials, while the large windows flood the space with natural sunlight. This thoughtful use of light emphasizes the kitchen's open and airy feel, making it a space where form meets function seamlessly. The mood here is one of quiet sophistication. It's a kitchen that exudes calm and elegance, a perfect sanctuary for those who appreciate modern design, but still want to feel connected to the surrounding nature. The ocean views become a living artwork, ever changing and always present. The modern Santorini Luxe kitchen is designed for those who value sleek. Modern aesthetics without compromising on comfort or connection to the natural world. It's a space that feels luxurious yet livable, perfect for both entertaining and everyday moments of serenity. Perched high on the cliffs of Santorini, the Ocean Cliff Retreat Kitchen offers an unparalleled connection to the island's natural beauty, with expansive windows that open directly onto breathtaking ocean views. This design immerses you in the stunning scenery while maintaining a sophisticated, contemporary edge. The color palette is inspired by the cliffs themselves. Cool grays, whites, and hints of blue evoke the rugged beauty of the surrounding landscape. Polished stone countertops and sleek modern cabinetry provide a clean, minimalist aesthetic that contrasts beautifully with the organic curves of the natural world outside. This kitchen is both a retreat and a statement of refined style. The design is all about maximizing the views. The open plan layout ensures that from any vantage point, the Aegean Sea stretches out before you, creating a seamless connection between the indoors and outdoors. The placement of the kitchen island allows for uninterrupted sightlines, making the ocean the centerpiece of the space. Textural contrasts are carefully considered in the Ocean Cliff Retreat. The smooth stone countertops and polished floors play off against the rugged cliffs visible through the windows, creating a harmonious balance between the man-made and the natural. This kitchen feels as though it's carved directly from the cliffs, rooted in the landscape, yet refined in its execution. The atmosphere here is one of calm and solitude. The ocean, with its ever-changing colors and moods, provides a constantly shifting backdrop that brings a sense of peace and reflection to the space. It's a place to unwind surrounded by the beauty of nature, designed for those who crave a close connection to nature without sacrificing modern luxury. The Ocean Cliff Retreat Kitchen offers the best of both worlds. It's a space that feels at once remote and indulgent, perfect for those looking to escape while still enjoying the finest comforts. The Aegean Horizon Loft Kitchen is an architectural marvel that blends loft-style living with the sweeping views of the Aegean. This design is all about height, light, and the endless horizon, creating a space that feels expansive and deeply connected to the natural world outside. With its open plan layout and floor-to-ceiling windows, this kitchen lets the Aegean Sea take center stage. The cool tones of white, gray, and light blue reflect the coastal palette, while polished stone countertops and sleek cabinetry provide a modern, minimalist feel. The result is a space that feels both airy and grounded, with the ocean always within sight. This design embraces verticality with high ceilings that enhance the sense of openness. The lofted feel is accentuated by clean lines and simple, modern furnishings that don't distract from the views. Every element of the kitchen is designed to draw the eye toward the horizon, making the sea the focal point of the space. The use of natural materials such as stone and wood adds warmth to the otherwise minimalist design. The textures of these materials echo the rugged beauty of the Santorini landscape, while the sleek surfaces keep the space feeling contemporary and uncluttered. The mood here is one of freedom and lightness. The expansive views and high ceilings create a sense of floating above the world, with the ocean stretching out endlessly before you. It's a space that invites relaxation and contemplation, a perfect escape from the hustle of everyday life. The Aegean Horizon Loft is ideal for those who love modern, open-concept living, but still want to feel connected to the natural world. It's a design that offers both luxury and simplicity, with the ever-changing horizon as the ultimate backdrop. Infused with the charm of nautical living, The Nautical Island Villa Kitchen brings the relaxed elegance of the sea into every detail. This design is a tribute to the island's maritime heritage, with a palette inspired by the blues of the Aegean Sea and the whites of traditional Greek architecture. The kitchen is framed by large windows that offer stunning ocean views, making the sea a constant companion in the space. Nautical accents such as rope detailing, polished wood finishes, and subtle blue tones enhance the coastal vibe, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere that feels timeless. Simplicity is key in this design. The minimalist island, smooth stone countertops, and white cabinetry are complemented by natural textures that evoke the feeling of being on a luxurious yacht. The blend of polished surfaces and organic materials creates a balanced look that is both refined and approachable. Lighting in the Nautical Island Villa is soft and inviting, with sunlight pouring through the large windows and reflecting off the glossy surfaces. This, combined with the warm tones of wood and stone, makes the space feel cozy yet expansive, ideal for entertaining or casual family meals. The mood here is one of relaxed sophistication. The ocean views and nautical details bring a sense of adventure and freedom, while the clean lines and thoughtful design ensure that the kitchen remains elegant and functional. It's a space that feels both luxurious and down to earth, designed for those who love the sea. The Nautical Island Villa Kitchen is a perfect blend of coastal charm and modern comfort. It's a space that invites you to slow down and enjoy the beauty of island living, with the ocean as your constant inspiration. The Terrace Sea Sanctuary Kitchen takes inspiration from Santorini's famous terraced architecture, creating a space that feels layered and deeply connected to the landscape, with sweeping views of the Aegean Sea. This design captures the essence of coastal living, where every level of the space offers a new perspective on the surrounding beauty. The kitchen's layout mirrors the island's natural terraces, with different levels creating a dynamic flow through the space. Polished stone countertops, sleek polished stone countertops, sleek cabinetry, and natural wood accents define the aesthetic, grounding the space in both modern luxury and traditional island design. The open plan concept allows for seamless transitions between the kitchen, dining, and living areas, with every zone taking full advantage of the panoramic ocean views. The terrace design is not only visually striking, but also functional. Each level of the kitchen serves a specific purpose, from food prep to casual dining, ensuring the space is beautiful and highly practical. The interplay between the different heights adds depth and interest, making the kitchen feel like a true sanctuary nestled within the cliffs of Santorini. Color choices reflect the natural beauty of the surroundings, with crisp whites, soft grays, and subtle beige tones echoing the cliffs and beaches below. The materials are carefully chosen for their durability and beauty, with smooth stone surfaces glistening in the sunlight and warm wood textures that add an organic feel to the space. The atmosphere here is one of serenity and retreat. The ocean views, coupled with the terrace layout, create a feeling of being completely immersed in the landscape. It's a place where you can escape the world, surrounded by the calming influence of the sea and sky. Natural light floods the kitchen through large windows, enhancing the sense of openness and bringing the beauty of the outdoors inside. As the day progresses, the light changes, offering a constantly shifting ambiance that ranges from bright and airy to soft and romantic as the sun sets over the water. The Terrace Sea Sanctuary Kitchen is designed for those who appreciate the art of living in harmony with nature. It's a space that feels intimately connected to the island, offering a luxurious yet peaceful retreat where you can enjoy both the comforts of modern living and the timeless beauty of the Aegean landscape. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with us any design ideas you'd like us to feature in our next videos. And until next time,